All right, everybody, today I'm going to make an item that's very popular at my restaurant. It's a stuffed fried shrimp. It's stuffed with lump crab. It's basically a crab cake on top of a shrimp. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's real easy. For one, I need to put these eyes on this Bleu magic. It's been going crazy. I appreciate all the support. So I'm just gonna show you a couple more things that we do with this batter. We use it at all my restaurants. Question, I've never asked you guys this question, but I need to know now. A lot of you guys didn't even know that I had restaurants. Have you ever been to one of my restaurants? Court Cafe in LA, Las Vegas, our Blue Kitchen Garlic Noodle Bar? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, like I said, making a crab cake is easy. It's easy. First, we're working with 8 ounces of lump crab. So I'm only gonna use 1 egg. Usually I get a pound and I use 2 eggs. I'm only gonna use 1. Got our egg down. Let's squeeze some of this lemon juice in there. Make sure you catch the seeds. Use some Worcestershire, some Dijon mustard, some breadcrumbs. And we're gonna use some of my favorite mayo, Kewpie mayo. I use this with everything, just a little, just a crab cake. I would have added some parsley or cilantro. I love cilantro. Now let's add our crab. Now when you break this up, you just wanna come under, because you don't wanna shred the crab up too much. I'm gonna add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Okay, the next step to doing these shrimp. As you can see, they're flat. About 5 cuts in the back of the shrimp to make sure they don't curl. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. This step is important. So, after I peel the shrimp, I just put about 4 to 5 cuts in the back. Then of course we devein it. Get that out of there. And then I just press it down. And there you go. Real easy. And then I just grab my crab, put that on top, and just repeat that with all of them. Just press it down a little bit. All right, real easy. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. We're gonna, that's gonna help the crab cake stick to the shrimp. At my restaurant, you know, I'm a little bit more advanced, so I don't have to wait for them to freeze. I'm good with this dish. I've been doing it for so long. But the easiest way, put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, let it stick, and then we'll be ready to fry. All right, now, see that? Perfect. Ready for the batter? Let's throw it in this wet batter. Kind of messed up because I really don't batter the tail. I just put this part in. Crazy how the grease got dirty over just one batch of oysters. So we have our stuffed shrimp. Like I said, this is an item that we serve at our restaurant, 7450 West Cheyenne Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, Suite 102.
I don't got nothing to say. I'm just gonna eat.
Look at all that. Who's that? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Double dip.
You can always tell when I'm excited because I don't talk too much in the episode. I'm gonna eat.
I don't know if you've ever had stuffed shrimp. I'm not the one that came up with this. They've been making stuffed shrimp before I was born. But they wasn't using Blue Magic. If you ever had stuffed shrimp, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.